What if I told you that goat farming could be one of the most rewarding and profitable ventures you ever start? Whether you dream of producing fresh milk, high-quality meat, or simply raising goats for business, getting started the right way is crucial. But where do you begin? How do you avoid common mistakes and ensure your farm thrives? In this video, we're sharing first-hand advice to help you succeed in goat farming, covering everything from selecting the best breeds to keeping your herd healthy and productive. Let's get started. Understanding the basics of goat farming. Goat farming is more than just keeping goats. It's about managing a sustainable and profitable livestock business. Goats are highly adaptable animals that provide meat, milk, fiber, and even manure for fertilization. Unlike cattle, they require less space and feed, making them a great option for small-scale farmers. However, goat farming isn't just about buying goats and letting them roam. You need to understand their needs, from shelter and nutrition to healthcare and breeding. A successful goat farm requires proper planning, research, and dedication. By learning the basics, such as common goat behaviors, their dietary needs, and seasonal breeding cycles, you set a strong foundation for a thriving, long-term farming venture that yields consistent profits. Selecting the right goat breed. Choosing the right breed is crucial to your farm's success. Each breed has its strengths, and selecting the wrong one can lead to lower productivity. For meat production, Boer, Eco, and Spanish goats are excellent choices due to their fast growth and high meat yield. If you're focusing on milk production, Saanen, Nubian, and Alpine goats are known for their high-quality milk output. Fiber-producing breeds like Angora and Cashmere goats provide valuable wool for the textile industry. Additionally, consider your local climate, as some breeds handle heat or cold better than others. Always buy from reputable breeders to ensure you get healthy, disease-free goats that can thrive and reproduce successfully on your farm. Designing proper housing and shelter. A well-structured shelter is essential for keeping your goats healthy and stress-free. Goats are hardy animals, but they still need protection from harsh weather, predators, and diseases. The shelter should be spacious, with proper ventilation to reduce the risk of respiratory infections. Ensure the flooring is dry and easy to clean, as damp environments can lead to hoof problems and bacterial growth. A good shelter should also have designated areas for sleeping, feeding, and birthing to avoid overcrowding. Secure fencing is critical to prevent predators from attacking your herd. Providing a comfortable, clean, and secure shelter not only enhances your goats' well-being, but also boosts their productivity in terms of milk and meat yield. Nutrition and feeding practices. A goat's diet directly impacts its health, reproduction, and production. Goats are natural browsers, meaning they prefer leaves, shrubs, and twigs over traditional pasture grass. However, for optimal growth, they need a balanced diet consisting of forage, grains, and minerals. High-quality hay, such as alfalfa, should be the main component of their diet. Supplementing with grains, especially for pregnant and lactating does, ensures they receive enough nutrients. Minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and salt blocks help prevent deficiencies. Goats also require a constant supply of clean, fresh water, as dehydration can lead to severe health problems. Feeding schedules should be consistent to maintain their digestive health and overall farm efficiency. Health management and disease prevention. Maintaining goat health requires proactive care. Goats, like any livestock, are prone to various diseases such as pneumonia, foot rot, and parasitic infections. Regular health checks help detect early symptoms of illness, preventing outbreaks that could wipe out your herd. Vaccinations are essential for protecting against deadly diseases like clostridial infections and tetanus. Goats should also be dewormed regularly to control internal parasites, which can severely impact growth and reproduction. External parasites like lice and ticks should be managed with proper hygiene and treatment. Additionally, quarantine any new goats before introducing them to your herd to prevent the spread of infections. A strong health management plan ensures long-term farm sustainability. Breeding and reproduction. Successful breeding plays a vital role in growing your goat farm. Female goats, or does, typically reach breeding age between 8 to 10 months, while male goats, or bucks, mature earlier, around 6 to 8 months. Understanding your breed's natural reproductive cycle helps you plan for consistent offspring production. Most goats breed seasonally, typically in the fall, with a gestation period of about 150 days. Keeping track of breeding dates and monitoring pregnant does for signs of labor ensures a smooth kidding process. Always prepare for kidding by having clean, warm bedding and veterinary assistance if needed. Strong record-keeping of breeding pairs, birth rates, and genetic history helps maintain a healthy and productive herd over time. Milking procedures and hygiene. For dairy goat farmers, proper milking techniques are essential for hygienic and high-quality milk production. Goats should be milked at the same time every day to maintain a steady flow. Before milking, their udders should be cleaned with warm water or disinfectant wipes to prevent contamination. Use clean, sanitized milking equipment and store milk in a cool place immediately after collection. Good hygiene practices help prevent mastitis, a common bacterial infection in dairy goats. Additionally, ensuring that the goats are stress-free during milking improves milk yield. Proper feeding and hydration of dairy goats contribute to consistent milk production, making it essential to invest in their overall health and nutrition for maximum efficiency. Marketing and business strategies. Turning your goat farm into a profitable business requires smart marketing. First, identify your target market, whether it's local consumers, restaurants, or wholesale distributors. Meat and dairy products can be sold at farmers' markets, grocery stores, or directly to customers. Diversifying your product range, such as offering goat cheese, yogurt, soap, or fiber, can increase profits. Establishing a strong brand identity helps build trust with customers. Using social media, farm websites, and local advertisements can attract buyers and grow your business. Additionally, networking with fellow farmers and agricultural cooperatives provides opportunities for bulk sales and collaborations. A well-planned marketing strategy ensures long-term success and sustainability for your farm. Sustainable farming practices. Sustainability is essential for maintaining a productive and eco-friendly goat farm. One of the most effective practices is rotational grazing, which prevents overgrazing, improves soil health, and ensures a continuous supply of fresh forage. Composting goat manure provides a natural fertilizer, reducing the need for chemical alternatives and enriching the soil for crop growth. Utilizing rainwater harvesting and solar-powered equipment can lower operational costs while making the farm more self-sufficient. Growing your own fodder minimizes dependence on external feed sources, cutting expenses and ensuring high-quality nutrition for your goats. Additionally, using eco-friendly fencing and biodegradable materials promotes environmental conservation. By adopting sustainable farming techniques, you create a resilient, cost-effective operation that benefits both your farm and the environment for future generations. Continuous learning and adaptation. Goat farming, like any agricultural venture, is constantly evolving. To stay ahead, farmers must commit to continuous learning and improvement. The best way to expand your knowledge is by attending workshops, agricultural expos, and training programs where experts share the latest techniques in goat farming. Additionally, reading books, following farming blogs, and joining online forums can provide valuable insights from experienced farmers worldwide. Technology is also transforming livestock management. Tools like automated feeding systems, digital health monitoring apps, and breeding record-keeping software can increase efficiency and productivity. Staying updated with new research, disease prevention strategies, and sustainable farming techniques ensures long-term success. Adaptability is key. Successful farmers embrace change, test new methods, and refine their approach over time. The more you learn and apply, the stronger and more profitable your farm will become. Goat farming can be both rewarding and profitable if done right. By choosing the right breed, providing proper care, and following smart management practices, you can build a thriving farm. Remember, success comes with continuous learning and dedication. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more farming tips. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy farming.